Looking to move money from Cash App to Venmo but can't find a direct option? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to transfer money step by step. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss the one crucial step that makes this work. The trick is simple. Use a linked bank account as the middleman. Here's how it works. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Linked Banks and choose Link Debit Card. If you don't have a card, just select the No Card option, tap Continue, and link the bank account that's already connected to your Venmo. Log in through the secure portal to finish linking it. Next, head back to the Cash App home screen and tap the banking icon in the bottom left. Hit Cash Out, enter the amount you want to transfer, and choose your speed. Standard transfers are free and usually take 1 to 3 business days, while instant transfers charge a small fee but send the money within minutes. Enter your PIN to confirm, and your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Once the money arrives, open Venmo, tap Add Money, and choose the exact same bank account you used with Cash App. Enter the amount and confirm. In a short while, your money will appear in your Venmo balance and you're good to go. Just remember, the key to making this work is linking the same bank account to both Cash App and Venmo. If they're not the same, the transfer won't go through. And that's it. You've just learned the easiest way to move money from Cash App to Venmo without stress. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick how-tos, and check the description for more money-saving tips.